Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this is about a squared, and we have 2s to the power of 2. This is about b squared. That is about 5 to the power of 2. Now, we apply the formula in here, and we will have about 2s minus 5 multiplied by 2s plus 5. Now, we can do about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over 2s minus 5, capital B over 2s plus 5. So we can do about common denominator. So about this one, capital A multiplied by 2s plus 5, because this one is missing about 2s plus 5 factor in here. About this one, capital B multiplied by 2s minus 5. Now, we need to expand this one. Capital A multiplied by 2s and number 5, you got like this, similar for capital B. So we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s, we have 2a plus 2b. Now, let's look carefully about coefficient in here. This is about the s. Next to the s, that is about number 1. So 5a minus 5b equals to number 1. 2a plus 2b equals to number 0, because we don't have s in here. That's why this one should be equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So capital A equals to 1 over 10. Capital B equals to negative 1 over 10. So we put this one go in here. So capital A, that's about 1 over 10. Capital B, that's about negative 1 over 10. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s minus 5. Number 2, that's about coefficient of s in here. Minus 1 over 10. We have number 2 in here, so we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s plus 5. And we put about c. So we have 1 over 10 multiplied by this one, and you got about 1 over 20 multiplied by this one. Similar for the second one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.